Hello, dolls, and welcome back. Welcome back. Again, this is Chelsea, the Weave Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland. Below, we have a young, beautiful model. She will be getting married, and she had asked to receive a partial install with some of her hair left out so that she's able to put in a ponytail, and that would mimic a natural African American woman's hair. This client has 4B texture hair. This is our raw Burmese hair. It is thick from root to tip. It is double drawn. This hair can last about 1 to 2 years of proper usage. This client's hair now has been blown out. Look how beautiful and thick it is. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Now we have also shown you the versatility of this partial ponytail install. She could even place it in a ponytail, and her back can go up in a high ponytail in the back. She doesn't have to be subjected to just a low ponytail. Now we have flat ironed it straight, and we're still not finished. We're just showing you the many different looks of this hair. It's just so gorgeous, and it looks very much like African American hair. Now we have curled the hair. It has a beautiful, nice sheen to it. It's low luster. So low luster hair means that it does not look very shiny. And it just looks very natural and has a natural thickness and coarseness to it. So it doesn't look too shiny, not like Brazilian hair. For more info, please feel free to visit our online webpage at mainattractionshair.com to schedule. Thank you so much. Have a fabulous day.